Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at the Versace model VE2161 in color code 1002/F9. It's a gold Medusa black colored frame. On the temple tip we have a gold color, and at the temple tip it's black. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other temple is the same. The lenses are a brown mirror bronze color, and we have a Medusa emblem on both sides of the lenses. The style of the frame is fashion square. Up here we have a Versace gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity booklet, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.